Hello everyone, welcome to iQuanta. So my name is Nikhil Goel and I'll be talking about last digit of any expression. So before going to a difficult problem, let's understand the very basic concept of last digit. So suppose there is a number given to us 1, 2, 3, and if I find out last digit, so last digit or you can say unit digit. Remember guys, last digit and unit digit both are same thing, right? So if someone asks you what is the last digit or unit digit of 1, 2, 3, you will simply say answer will be 3, right? Similarly, if I ask you what is the last digit of 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 5, right? Now, do we have to add all these numbers? No. But let's understand the concept. If I add these numbers, so I will get 2, 4, 8 and the unit digit will be 8 or last digit will be 8, right? But instead of adding all these numbers, if we focus on adding last digit, so 3 plus 5, still the answer remains same. So from this we can understand the last digit of any expression depends on the last digit only. That means इसको मैं लिख भी देता हूं, last digit of any expression, whether it's multiplication, subtraction, addition, the last digit of any expression depends on last digit only. That means if I ask you to solve this question, so do we need to multiply these two numbers? Obviously not. We need to focus on multiplying these last digit, that means 3 and 4. So 3 into 4 is 12 and the 2 will be the unit digit or the last digit, right? Let's extend this number or this concept for a difficult problem. Suppose question is this. I need to find out the unit digit of this expression. So again, I will be looking at unit digit only. So my answer will be 1 into 2 into 3, 6. So that was the basic concept of unit digit. Now I'm going to apply this basic concept in difficult problems also. Problem like, suppose someone asks you what will be the unit digit of 2 raised to the power 48, 3 raised to the power 80, 7 raised to the power 123, something like this. अगर एग्जाम में इस तरह का कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है उसको समझने के लिए वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द पैटर्न. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग गाइस, व्हेनेवर यू सी अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द पैटर्न. पैटर्न से कुछ ना कुछ चीजें आपको आसान मिल जाती हैं. So I'm going to find out the pattern. Pattern will be our concept that I will generalize also, and then I will give you a concept through which you can solve any problem related to unit digit within 5 to 10 seconds. So let's understand the concept first, then I will generalize this. So if I ask you what will be the power of 2 raised to the power 1, that is 2. 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 की power 4 is 16. 16 ends with 6. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 ends with 2. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. Ends with 4. 128 ends with 8. 256 ends with 6. 2 raised to the power 9 ends with 2, and so on so forth. Now if you can see a pattern from this, pattern is 2486, 2486, again the number starts from 2. So यहाँ से क्या पैटर्न मिल रहा है कि जो 4 की एक साइक्लिसिटी है, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर एवरी फोर्थ पावर यूनिट डिजिट्स रिपीट, राइट? यू कैन से दैट बिकॉज जैसे ही फोर्थ पावर कंप्लीट होती है यूनिट डिजिट स्टार्ट रिपीटिंग, right? So we can generalize this and can say 2 raised to the power 4, it means multiple of 4. 2 raised to the power 4k, that means if power is a multiple of 4, unit digit will always be 6. Can we say that, right? 2 raised to the power 4k, unit digit will always be 6. अगर 4k से ज्यादा होगा मतलब एक पावर एक्स्ट्रा होगी तो यूनिट डिजिट विल बी 4, 2 होगा 8 वगैरह वगैरह. तो थोड़ा सा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो जाता है मेथड. मैं इसको और आसान बनाऊंगा आगे चल के. एज ऑफ नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड 2 raised to the power 4k is always gonna give you unit digit as 6, right? Next, similarly, if I try to find out the cyclicity of 3, pattern of 3, okay, you can see 3971, 3971. You can again see after every fourth power, the power repeats. Oh, sorry, unit digit repeats. 3 की power 4 is 1. 3 की power again 8 is 1. So that means if a number ends with 3 and power is a multiple of 4, unit digit will always gonna be 1. दोबारा से समझ लेते हैं. अगर नंबर 2 से एंड होता है एंड पावर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, यूनिट डिजिट विल ऑलवेज बी 6. इफ नंबर एंड्स विथ 3 एंड पावर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, unit digit will always be 1, right? In the same way, we can find out the pattern for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 वगैरह वगैरह. बट मैंने इसका एक बहुत ही छोटा सा वर्जन या यू कैन से शॉर्टकट बनाया हुआ है थ्रू विच यू कैन सॉल्व this type of problem within seconds. So let's move on to that shortcut and let's apply that shortcut in few questions as well. तो सिंपल सा शॉर्टकट है गाइस, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Any number, we do not know that number and power is a multiple of 4. Any number, we do not know that number and the power is multiple of 4, right? Now there are two possibility. If number is an even, even means if number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8. कोई भी नंबर है अगर वो 2, 4, 6, 8 से एंड होता है and the power is a multiple of 4, unit digit will always be 6. Remember this. This is the shortcut. शॉर्टकट आता कैसे? यहां से पूरा प्रूफ निकाल के इसका शॉर्टकट आता है जिसको आपको सिर्फ ये याद रखना है. That's it. If number is odd, 1, 3, 7, 9, सिर्फ ये वाले डिजिट्स. 5 और 0 एक्सेप्शन है, उसको मैं अभी बाद में डिस्कस करूंगा. As of now, remember 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 3, 7, 9. If number ends with 1, 3, 7, 9, unit digit will always be 1. अभी मैं इसके ऊपर काफी सारे एग्जांपल करा देता हूं जिससे कि क्लियर हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. There is an exception if a number ends with 0 and power is anything. Unit digit will always be 0. If number ends with 5 and power is anything, unit digit will always be 5. तो दिस इज एन एक्सेप्शन, राइट? इसको आप जनरलाइज करके आप देख सकते हो आया कैसे. इफ यू चेक एनी पावर ऑफ 5, any power of 5, it always ends with 5. So that's why I have generalized this thing and the rest I have separated in 6 and 1 form. Now let's see few questions related to this concept we have just learned. The first question, if someone asks you, what is the unit digit of this? What is the unit digit of 2 raised to the power 40? Power is a multiple of 4? Yes, power is a multiple of 4. Number ends with 2? Yes, unit digit is 6. Within 2-3 seconds, you will get your answer. That's it. Number is a odd, or you can say number ends with 3. power is a multiple of 4, unit digit will be 1. Number ends with 7, power is a multiple of 4, unit digit will be 1. Number ends with 5, power is anything, we do not care. Now, unit digit will always be 5, right? Let's combine these two concepts. Suppose we have to find out the unit digit of this expression. Number is odd, power is a multiple of 4, unit digit is 1. Number ends with 5, power is anything, unit digit will always be 5. So, answer is 5. That's it. So, within 5 to 10 seconds, you can solve such type of problems. Now, obviously, one thing that comes in our mind, what if power is not a multiple of 4? क्योंकि सर अभी आपने तो पावर मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 के लिए तो बहुत आसानी से बता दिया. What if power is not a multiple of 4? Again, that is a very easy way to solve. Now, try to understand. Suppose question is you have to find out the unit digit of 2 raised to the power 41. So, what you have to do, you have to check whether the power is a multiple of 4 or not. Since power is not a multiple of 4, so what you gonna do, you will divide this power by 4. And why is it not a multiple of 4? Because of one remainder, right? 1 is extra. So, you have to ask yourself why this number is not a multiple of 4? Because of 1 extra. So, you have to solve that extra part only. That means 2 to the power 1, answer is 2. That's it. Let's consider one more example. 3 raised to the power 42. Again, you will ask the same question to yourself. Is power multiple of 4? Power is not a multiple of 4. Why it is not a multiple of 4? Because there is 2 extra. ये मैं आपको चेक करा देता हूं यहां पे. 2 extra है ना, 2 extra या 2 remainder है. तो you have to solve for the remainder part only. So 3 square. Answer is 9. That's it. 27 raised to the power 27. Suppose this is the question. Now, we know one thing, last digit depends on last digit only. So, my question is basically this. This is irrelevant because last digit always depends on last digit. Now, is power multiple of 4? Clearly not. Why it is not a multiple of 4? 6 4s are 24. We are left with 3. 7 cube. 7 cube is 343. Answer is 3. That's it. अब थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. आप भी बोल रहे होगे सर बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन करा रहे हो आप. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट देख लेते हैं. 19 रेज़ टू द पावर 19 इंटू 23 रेज़ टू द पावर 23 इंटू 17 रेज़ टू द पावर 17. भाई इससे डिफिकल्ट क्या ही पूछेगा. इसको कर लिया, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर, राइट. सो first of all, we will focus on this 9. Now, is power multiple of 4? Clearly not. Why it is not a multiple of 4? Because of 3 extra. 4 into 4, 16, 3 extra. So, my question becomes 9 cube into. Is this a multiple of 4? Obviously not. 3 raised to the power 3. Remember guys, we ignore this part, right? We ignore this part. मैं इसको लिख देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन बेसिकली ये है, ये आपको सॉल्व करना है. सामने वाला आपको कितना भी कंफ्यूज करे, you do not have to get confused, you have to focus on the concept. The concept is this, right? Now, power is not a multiple of 4 because of 3. Power is not a multiple of 4 because of 3, because 3 is a remainder, 3 is a extra. Power is not a multiple of 4 because of 1. 9 cube, everyone knows, 729. So, 729 का unit digit लेंगे 9. 3 cube is 27. Unit digit is 7. And 7 raised to the power 1 is 7. That's it. Now you have to multiply this. So 9 into 7 is 63. Just a second. Yeah, 9 into 7 is 63. 63 का भी यूनिट डिजिट लेंगे 3. 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21. So 1. So the final answer is 1. So in this way, you can solve any problem related to unit digit. So that's all in this video, guys.